The regulatory landscape can be extremely hard to navigate for health tech startups, often delaying the time it takes to reach patients with their innovative health technologies.
We need health tech pathways because right now it's a black box for most startups. They don't know where to start, they don't know where to begin.
It was so difficult to find the right experts, to actually find people who could help us. I wish there had been some place where I could have actually asked my questions and given support for what do I actually need to do.
We need to have a place where people can look, find the right resources, find the right training material, find the right consultants, find the right notified bodies.
Health tech pathways will offer tailored regulatory support to Danish and Nordic digital health startups, providing knowledge and training, approval support, community forums and AI tools for quicker and more cost-effective market approvals in the EU and US.
We see a lot of innovation in the marketplace, but because we're talking about professional healthcare, it has to be regulated. And we need to make sure that this regulation happens as fast as possible and as efficient as possible.
I'm the founder and CEO of Uvisa Health, and we are developing the first phototherapy treatment device for common vaginal infections. Right now, we are estimating that the process to certification will cost between 30 to 50 million Danish. That is just the process of obtaining certification.
It took us 4 years to go from my initial let's do a regulatory strategy to having a CE marking. The ultimate challenge in regulatory approval is finding the knowledge and actually knowing what to do and getting to understand all the different regulations, and then the money. It is so incredibly expensive.
I am sure we've wasted money already, and I'm sure we'll waste more money learning this process. So anything that will help us to actually get that certification, that would be really helpful.
Based on our experience building a community at Health Tech Hub Copenhagen, we can see the power of communities. Now we need to build a community around regulatory affairs. There's so many talents out there, but they're not speaking to each other and they're not learning from each other. So we need to bring them into a platform where people can share knowledge and share experiences.
The time to certification and market approval averages 13 to 18 months in Europe compared to 6 to 8 months in the US. By supporting health tech startups on their regulatory journey, this initiative aims to provide a clear and faster regulatory pathway, ultimately benefiting people and society.